Picture this, you're stepping into a life-changing job interview. Your suit, perfect. Your handshake, strong. But then, you glance down, white flakes dust your shoulders. In that moment, it's not just about looks, it's about confidence. And beneath it all, something deeper is happening on your scalp. Chapter 1. Managing Malassezia Overgrowth. Fighting the real culprit.
Alright, first things first. Most dandruff isn't just dry skin. It's caused by an overgrowth of a yeast-like fungus called Malassezia. And to beat it, we need antifungal firepower.
Exactly. By targeting Malassezia, we can tackle the root cause of dandruff and not just the symptoms. First, zinc pyrithione, the gentle warrior.
So here are the pros. It combats fungi, bacteria, and inflammation all at once. Very gentle, perfect for sensitive scalps. Bonus, it can even improve your hair's texture.
But there are some cons. It's a slow and steady solution. Consistent use is key. May not pack enough punch for really heavy flaking.
And zinc pyrithione is best for mild to moderate dandruff or as a long-term maintenance buddy.
Second, selenium sulfide, the heavy hitter.
Here are the pros. Fast relief. You could see less itching and flaking in just a few days. Slows down skin turnover and reduces fungal growth, especially helpful if you have an oily scalp.
But let's not forget the cons that can cause slight discoloration if not rinsed properly, especially on lighter hair. Might dry out your scalp if you overdo it. Has a stronger, noticeable scent.
Selenium sulfide is best for severe dandruff, super oily scalps, or when you need quicker results.
Third, ketoconazole, the prescription powerhouse.
Pros highly effective, even stubborn dandruff doesn't stand a chance. Quick action. Some people notice improvement after just a wash or two. May also help reduce scalp DHT, potentially supporting hair thickness.
Cons can be drying if overused. Has a strong medicinal smell. Stronger concentrations like 2% often require a prescription.
Best for moderate to severe fungal dandruff or when milder options just aren't cutting it.
Chapter 2. Managing dry scalp when it's not a fungus. Sometimes it's not fungus at all. If your scalp feels tight, itchy, and flaky, you might just be dry. And the last thing you want to do? Attack it with antifungals.
Top remedy: aloe vera gel, nature's moisture miracle.
How to use it. Choose pure organic aloe vera gel, no fragrances or additives. Gently massage into your scalp 2 to 3 times per week. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water or a mild shampoo.
Pro tip: don't mix it with harsh products. Aloe works best in a soothing, gentle routine.
Chapter 3. Build a realistic routine, not a battle plan.
Okay, I know what you're thinking. Should I just throw everything at my scalp at once?
The answer is no. Here's the roadmap. Weeks 1 and 2. Start with your chosen antifungal shampoo 2 to 3 times per week. Weeks 3 and 4. Layer in hydration like aloe vera or a mild, nourishing conditioner.
Important: if you don't see improvement within a few weeks, that's your sign to check in with a dermatologist.
Chapter 4. How often should you use medicated shampoos? Consistency is your secret weapon.
Use medicated shampoo 2 to 3 times per week initially.
Most people notice visible improvement in 1 to 2 weeks.
Once symptoms improve, drop down to once every 1 to 2 weeks for maintenance.
And always adjust based on how your scalp feels. Chapter 5. Call to action. Join our Flake-Free family. If this breakdown helped you finally understand your scalp better, don't leave yet. Hit that like button, subscribe to join our community, and share this video with someone who's ready to say goodbye to flakes. Have you tried any of these solutions yourself? Drop your story in the comments. I'd love to hear what's worked for you, and your journey could help someone else too.
Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.
Until next time, take care of that scalp.